Hi boys and girls, you are going to be counting out some marshmallows for hot chocolate at the center. I have two different bags. One holds the materials for the blue, green, and orange group, and one holds the yellow group's materials. So the first thing that you're going to excuse me. The first thing you're going to need to do is get out the cards that are in your bag, the mats, okay? And each friend needs a mat in front of them. And then you will empty out the number cards into the middle of the table. Okay. Then each person chooses a number card, puts it on the top of their mat. So as you can see, I have the number 9. That means I need to place 9 marshmallows in my cup of hot chocolate. So I'm going to count them one by one as I move them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now I need to write my number here in the square. My number is 9. And now it shows me an equation, 9 plus 1 equals. This means what is 1 more than 9? So we're talking about what is the number that comes after 9. And I know that that number is 10. If you don't know, your strategy could be to count up to 9 and then keep going to see what the next number is that you land on. Or you may use the number line at the bottom when you find the number 9 and then move your finger over to the next number and you see that that number is 10. So my equation is 9 plus 1 equals 10. Remember that when it says plus, that means add. That means we're going to end up with a bigger number when we're moving forward. So then you check. Take the clothespin off, open it up, count to see, do I have the same amount of marshmallows? Down here, do they have the same equation? 9 plus 1 equals 10. Yes, so I got that one right. Then I put my clothespin back on my number, put my number back in my pile, put the marshmallows back into the pile, erase my board, and choose another number to start working on. Okay, if you are in the yellow group, well, at cleanup time, please put all the numbers back into the Ziploc bag for your group. Only get out the materials for your group. The other bag can stay in the bucket so that we don't get them mixed up, okay? Now, yellow group, you will not have an equation on your mat. You are just going to choose, so you'll dump all the number cards into the middle of the table, and each person will have a mat that looks like this. You will put your number card on your mat, and then you will count that many marshmallows into your hot chocolate cup. So I got the number 7. So I'm going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember to move 1 marshmallow for each number that you move forward. Then you're going to open up your card and count. Do they have the same amount of marshmallows that I do? Yes, so I got that one right. And I can put my clothespin back on, put it back into the pile, put my marshmallows away and choose another one and keep going. So we're all working the whole time. Have fun.